So we're in Cleckuddersfax somewhere, doing a bit of a volume survey for Erris Homes, Howard Civils. They've got a lot of material on site. They need it working out to formation, what they've got, what they need to bring on. But there's stuff everywhere, and we don't really know what's topsoil, what's good material, what's rubbish material. So we're just gonna, rather than go and survey it, we're just gonna use a new fancy little LiDAR GPS rover we've got. So that's not the rover, that's a different type of rover. This is the CHCNAV RS10. So it's a network rover on the top with two. It's the best GPS we've seen, really. It outperforms any other GPS that we've tried. So it's a network rover, but stuck to the front of it is a SLAM LiDAR scanner. So you can use it outside, inside. It's got 3 5-megapixel cameras on it, so it colours as it goes. So we can go around either in your hand, or there's a chest mount for it, or this pops off and it goes on a pole, and we can go around and scan it. That acts as a point to pick up GCPs if we needed to, or again you can do it on the pole, and it just captures everything. And it does the same job as a drone, but we aren't having to put the drone up, so it gives us the whole site. But it can be used as a network rover as well. And when you use it as a network rover, if you start to lose connection because you're going into trees or into a building, the SLAM picks up, so it's a kind of go anything toy. It is just basically an Android app. So we start capture. I'll just go in the settings. So I want a coloured LiDAR and I want to connect. So this will get the RTK positioning. Let's move out of the way of this machine. So we've got a fixed position there now. So that's fixed GPS, and this is all going to be to coordinate a grid. And this is the really technical part. I just press start and give it a name if I want. Let's call it Vol. Tell it it's outdoor. Stand still for a second while it starts to turn on and get its bearings. And then basically we're scanning. This is a 100-metre range, but to do a 300-metre range version. So you can stick it in areas you want to, stuff like that. That's it done now. 11 minutes to walk round, and I kind of overdid it. So we'll take this back, take the LAS file out, and that'll go into any kind of software to draw it, Enforce, LSS, SCC, anything like that, Trimble Business Centre, or send it to the cloud for something like Propeller. It's just the same as what you get out of a drone, but it's just easier and less hassle, because drones don't work all the time, do they?